Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 8th, 2022. We're going to talk about Algorand today real quick because you guys can see that Algorand has hit a resistance area right there around 45 cents. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this upper horizontal line right here. And I'm going to push it up there towards 45 cents because right here on November the 5th, the 6th, and the 7th, the market in Algorand could not trade, or at least trade above that particular area. So we need to identify that as resistance. Okay, so given that that's the case, you guys can see that we also have this bottom portion for Algorand as support around 27 cents. So what we're going to do is simply identify the trading range. Okay, so this currently is the area to which the market is trading. This is where the consolidation is trading between the buyers and the sellers. No one is really trying to outdo the other side of the market, meaning that the buyers are not really incentivized to break price above 45 cents, and the sellers are incentivized to try to break price below 27 cents. So again, let me zoom in on this chart, and you guys can see that the trend though within this consolidation range is still for the buyers. Okay, so even within this trading range, the market is still trending higher. So the buyers have one leg up amongst the sellers. This is what this ascending line indicates, is that even though we are trading within a range, the buyers still have the advantage because it's trending higher in terms of price. So given that that's the case, you guys can see that even on today's price action, that Algorand is currently down 8%. We need to see the buyers once again approach this trend line and bounce off of it. And that will give us the continuation to tell us that, hey, the market here in Algorand is still bullish. We may even, in fact, come back up to around 45 cents to try to break the market to the upside. That is what we need to wait for. Okay, so real quick, let's look at this on a 3-day chart. You guys can see the last couple of these last two 3-day price bars, that the volume in Algorand has increased substantially. We haven't seen this much volume in Algorand since mid-September. You guys can see the difference between how active the market was in mid-September to where it is now. We need to talk, because with this high volume and us seeing the rejection coming in around 45 cents, that means that there was a lot more sellers coming into the market in Algorand right now. Okay, so everything's going to be contingent on us determining whether or not the market's going to hold this trend line. Now, another thing that I don't like in terms of us breaking 45 cents to the upside is the price closing below this area here too as well. You guys can see that price in Algorand currently is breaking and trading below 40 cents. We want to see the market in Algorand close above 40 cents because that would definitely tell us that the market is still interested in trying to break 45 cents to the upside. Given that that's not the case right now on the 3-day chart, we need to consider how strong really is the market in Algorand. Yeah. And how likely is it going to be that the buyers are going to be able to hold price on this trend line? Given that that's the case, that price currently is trading below 40 cents, I'm not too confident that the market's going to break 45 cents to the upside right now. Not with the amount of volume that is coming in the last the last 3 2-day price bars. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to place some weakness in the market in Algorand. Now again, this is not a crash. You guys can already see where we identified the trading range. So we're going to look for the market in Algorand just simply to trade within this range. But while we're in this range, we're going to look for the market to trend down slightly. Okay, so that first area for us to grab some profit off the table is going to be right here. This is around 36.5 cents, which is 5.8%. 36.5 cents is the first price target. The second one, it's going to be around 35, which is 9.5%. And then the third area is going to be around 33 cents or 33.5. So you guys can see that's 13.68% right there. I am done. You guys know that holiday season is here, and I wanted to provide some products that you all may find interesting, that you may want to buy for yourself or for your loved ones, for your family. So just take a quick second, and I want you all to listen to this short clip. All right, give me just a second. All right, everyone, there you go. The products to those, the links to those products is going to be available in the description of the video. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase one of those items for your loved one or even for yourself. I am done. You guys see my price prediction now, my updated price prediction for Algorand. I want you all to drop me a comment real quick and tell me what is your price target for Algorand as we approach the month of December. Where do you think the price is headed? I identify what I think the market is going to do. I just simply want to know, what do you all think? All right, so hit the like button. And also subscribe here to the channel. And as well, make sure you maintain profitability and trade different.